This is just a really quick video of my 747-200 mode selector panel, autopilot panel. This is a real unit from my 747 cockpit that I purchased. Everything still works. Needs power for these to work and for these knobs to stay in the select position, apart from this one here. Here I've got an airspeed, course, heading, the selector switch. I'm not too sure what this is. Vertical speed. Got another selector. Altitude. Altitude hold. Flight director here as well. So this is it, and it's going to go in the simulator. Well, it will go back in the cockpit, which will be turned into a simulator, but I took it out early because I want to see how I can convert it to simulator function, to be a functional simulator part, but I'm not going to do that because I would have to take this apart. So I will try and think of another solution, and it will probably involve making my own version of this with digital screens, because this is all tape. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed that little showcase, and hope to see you again soon.